So we're now going to look at how to apply a sling for the patient. So for a sling, we'll use these bandages called triangular bandages. They're quite versatile and they're seen in a lot of first aid kits. And there's some key points to using this. So what you'll have in this bandage is two kind of very similar corners and one right angle. And that right angle is used as an arrow to point towards the injured side. That's what really helps you use this triangular effectively. So for this patient here, it's this side that's injured. So we can stand up the triangular like it's tall, like they are, and then use that right angle to point towards the injury. So that's how we're going to use this. Now, one thing that you can add to this, it really creates a nice pocket for the elbow, is to take that right angle and tie a knot in it. So just pull some of the fabric through and tie a nice big knot, and that's going to create a good pocket for the elbow. Then when we're applying this, again, we're going to have it nice and tall like the patient, right angle to the elbow. We're going to get this underneath the injured arm. So we're going to place that over their shoulder, get their arm inside, and then bring the other side up and around. Okay, then we can tie this in behind the patient and get it to a position of comfort for the patient. You can see that knot really creates a nice pocket for the elbow so it doesn't slide out, and it really keeps that arm kind of in against the body to keep it immobilized. Now what you may have in some transport is a lot of like bumpy roads, that kind of thing. So to keep this from bumping out, or chicken winging as we call it, we can use a second triangular bandage. In this one, we're just going to fold to make a nice wide swath of material. And if you didn't have this, you could use a coat, a sweater, anything like that. And we're just going to take this and wrap this over our triangular bandage and then secure that in behind. So now this keeps that arm from waving around. So that's what we call a sling and swathe, and that really secures the injured arm to the body to make transport a little bit more comfortable.